finally released her third album. Congratulations, Nikki!
Congratulations!
Somebody to Love. Carrie's single. This is written by my sister, Danella Hill. This is more mature. Kung kaya mong i-describe ang sound as mature sound, this is more mature. If you listen to Sakay ng Jeep and Somebody to Love, medyo malayo na siya. Siguro in terms of emotion or how it was executed. Ang dami kasing napakagaling na composers at napakagagandang music dito in the Philippines that have not been tapped into because siguro na nalulod tayo sa revival stage, but although I have nothing against revival, siguro my previous album puro covers yung ginawa ko. It's just that for this album, I think that's the whole point of Somebody to Love. I wanted it to be a venue for these great composers and songwriters to unleash the music na hindi masyadong nabibigyan ng attention. Yes, I have to do it here. You Are My Life, which was actually written by Billy. I don't know if you have a lot to do with having the chat friendly. So for this album, translate namin yung French part into English. Since it was never released in France. So sabi namin, try yung song. Translate natin into English. It used to be Say Goodbye. Medyo sad. So pinalitan niya na You Are My Life. I guess a more positive song. Hey guys, it's DJ Nikki, but I'm a singer now. Yes. Okay. I'd like to invite you guys to get a copy of my album, Somebody to Love. This is my third album. It's 98% original. Sana po supportahan niyo ang musikang Filipino. I'm actually very happy with this album because I think there's something for everyone. It's daming choices. Daming alternative. Plus,